I go overboard? I think I went overboard. This is a big haul, so I'm gonna just go ahead and roll with it. We've done lots of Halara videos on this channel. I will leave some up in the cards so you can check them out. But if you're unfamiliar with Halara, I don't know where you have been. I have so many Halara pieces. Most of my wardrobe is Halara and I am not mad about it one bit. I wear Halara clothes pretty much every single day, and these are gonna be some new staples for the summer. Let's go ahead and just dive right in. I'm gonna go ahead and just start with what's on top, which is first this shirt. This shirt is so incredibly soft. It feels like pajamas. It's so cozy, it's super breathable. I feel like this is the right length of sleeve for my arms. I'm not really a big fan of my arms, so I like having something that covers it a little bit. It's super soft. I feel like the V-neck is the right level where it's not too revealing, it's not too casual, it brings out the blue in my eyes, and I just can't get over how soft it is. It's so cozy. I paired that with these linen feel pants, and these are stunning. I love this green color. Obviously, I love green. I feel like it's just become my new brand, and I love it. These are super, super soft and lightweight. They have a little bit of stretch to them, and I love how lightweight they are. They're very almost cool to the touch, super, super breathable, so they're gonna be perfect for the summer. These are just gonna be a great staple. I am super, super excited about these. Drawstring at the top, no notes. Next up for pants are the perfect short for the summer. These I am absolutely obsessed with. They're almost like a seersucker print, and I got them in a tan. I love the look of like a khaki short and a white button down, but I feel like it's so hard to find the right short. I did it, I found them. These are incredible. You zip them up and then they have a double button hem, so they have a clear button here and a metal latch, so they fit super well. They do have real belt loops if you wanted to add a belt, elastic in the back, so they're super comfortable, and they do have pockets on the sides, no pockets on the back, which I really appreciate. Doesn't add any weight to your booty. They're just very flattering. They're the perfect length to where I don't feel like I'm gonna flash everybody. I think these are like the ideal put together mom shorts. Love these. Paired that with two different things. The first is this t-shirt, and this is just the basic tee but better. It is a slimming shirt, so it is super stretchy but compresses you in the most beautiful way. It does have built-in padding, so you don't have to wear a bra.
Oh my goodness.
It's very soft, very breathable, definitely on the thicker side just because of that compression, but I really, really like it. I think this is gonna be a super good basic year-round. Perfect length, you can tuck it in or you could wear it out and not worry about it. I got this duster as well, and I love a duster. I feel like this was totally like my style for all of college, and I got rid of them and I don't really know why. It's very lightweight, but I love this material. It's super, super soft. The length of it is really nice, and I feel like it just makes me feel more elevated. Plus, I like having something that I can throw on if I'm going out, going to a restaurant, and it's cold inside. I feel like this is a really nice elevated jacket. Plus, it covers my booty, so when I sit down, I don't have to worry about leaving marks on chairs or anything like that. So I really, really like these for the summer. Also think this would just be really nice in the fall, nice and cozy with some boots. Super cute. Another jacket that I got, and I'm so obsessed with this, is this denim, but Halara denim jacket. It is like a super stretchy denim. It's the perfect cream white, so it's going to be so nice for every single outfit. This just goes well with everything. It has the perfect amount of structure and stretch, so I feel like I can wear this and not be uncomfortable. I think this is just going to be perfect for baseball games, 4th of July, pretty much year round, and I just know I'm going to get so much use out of it. Really, really like the fit of this. The last shirt that I got is this one, and this one's kind of like a workwear shirt, but I feel like I will just wear this so much during the summer, is this top, and it is like a cowl neck, super drapey, very elevated. This blue, almost periwinkle, is so, so, so pretty, and I just really love this material. It's super, super small, so this is gonna be perfect for summer travels. I mean, it's so tiny, super easy to pack, it's wrinkle resistant, and I just really, really like this one. This is gonna be one of my staples, and I love the material. I just want it in every single color. Next up, we have some dresses. Halara knows what they're doing when it comes to dresses, and this haul is no exception. First, I got two active dresses. I got this blue one, and look at this blue. It's like a Cinderella blue. It's so, so, so pretty. I love it. So I got this. This is one of my favorite pieces that Halara makes. I love these active dresses. They're so versatile. I feel like I could wear them day in and day out and never get sick of it. They have built-in shorts, so you don't have to worry about flashing anyone. Plus, they have the easy peasy, so when you are going to the restroom, you don't have to take the whole thing off in the Target bathroom stall. We've all been there. Big fan of these, and I just can't get over how pretty this color is. I think it's beautiful. I forgot to mention this. This is almost like a wrap. It very much reminds me of like the ballet wraps that I used to wear when I was a dancer. And I really like this. I think this is going to be a very good practical thing to just keep in the car and bring for when I'm going to a more formal thing and I get cold, which is all the time. And I think this looks really cute with active dresses as well. Again, super small, so it's great for packing, and I love the material. It's very breathable and stretchy. I love the thumb holes, and I definitely think I'm gonna want this in black too. I also got this active dress in this gorgeous green color. I absolutely love this. It is inside out, but it is so pretty. I think this color looks really nice on me, and I love this for the spring and summer. Again, built-in padding, so you don't have to worry about a bra, plus built-in shorts, and these do have pockets as well. This is like the perfect theme park dress too. Super practical, very girly, very cute and breathable. Next up, I got a maxi dress, and this is a linen almost feeling dress. This is no stretch, it is super breathable, and I love how this looks. I think this is super pretty. I love the bow detail, the cinching at the top, the cinching at the waist. It's very comfortable and super breathable. I think this is going to be a really good staple for the summer on really hot days when I don't want to think about what I'm wearing. I'm just going to throw this on, and I'm already so excited to style it. I think it's very practical. I like the length of it, and I really like this gray too. I think it's very cute. Last but certainly not least, my favorite piece from this haul is this dress, and this is so pretty. I got it in a butter yellow, which is definitely out of my comfort zone, but it's so stunning. Super stretchy and breathable. It has built-in pads, and then it ties up in the back so you can adjust it to fit your body perfectly. The length is amazing, and I feel like it's super flattering. I am super impressed with this one, and I definitely want this in some more colors. So that was my Halara haul. Let me know what your favorite piece was down below. Everything will be linked down there for you. And if you are interested in shopping anything, definitely use my code to save yourself some money. Thank you so much to Halara for letting me pick these pieces out and for working with me and filling my wardrobe with wonderful pieces for the summer. I'm super excited about these. So thank you so much for coming and hanging out with me. As always, I appreciate you being here, and I hope that you choose to stick around and subscribe. If you do, I will see you in the next video, and in the meantime, I hope you have a killer day. Bye!